Neck and shoulder pain ruining your sleep? It might be time to rethink your pillow. In this video, we take a closer look at the best pillows designed specifically for neck and shoulder pain relief. Whether you're dealing with chronic tension, stiffness from poor posture, or the result of a long day at the desk, the right pillow can make a world of difference. At Pillowpal Store, we understand that true rest doesn't just come from lying down, it comes from proper alignment, pressure relief, and support where your body needs it most. We'll guide you through our top recommended pillow types for pain relief, including memory foam pillows that contour to your shape, orthopedic pillows that maintain spinal alignment, and ergonomic cervical pillows that cradle your neck to reduce strain. We'll also show you how bamboo and temperature-regulating pillows can help hot sleepers stay cool and supported, while pain relief pillows target specific areas of discomfort. This isn't just about comfort, it's about healing while you sleep. A bad pillow can worsen your condition, while the right one can promote recovery and help you wake up feeling refreshed and pain-free. Whether you're a side sleeper, back sleeper, or combination sleeper, we'll help you match your sleep position with the perfect pillow for long-term relief. At Pillowpal Store, we've helped thousands of people say goodbye to restless nights and hello to better mornings, and now it's your turn. If you're tired of tossing, turning, and waking up sore, watch this video until the end. You'll learn how to choose the right pillow based on your pain points, sleeping habits, and personal comfort preferences. Better sleep starts with better support, and the right pillow is the first step.